I'd like to welcome you all to the second ever HashiConf Digital event.
Welcome to HashiConf
Digital 2020.
10, 9, 8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Countdown is over.
Welcome to the virtual stage.
All right, cool, let's get professional.
Today, I'm very, very excited to announce a brand new project called HashiCorp Boundary.
Today, we're announcing our new project, Waypoint, available now.
We have some very active cats this morning.
Let's start over.
All right, let's see what we got. Back to you, Mitchell.
Thank you very much, Sarah.
Perfect.
Thank you for the time.
I hope you all enjoyed the conference.
Thank you very much.
Ciao, ciao, and have a good HashiConf.